Yep, there you are. It is cross-platform because you're on your computer, correct? Wait, no, your Xbox.
Yes, but
Quick mash. I don't know what that means. Family.
Part of the family now.
yeah, it does
It's up
not
to you to secure.
click family.
Wait, I pushed
Wait.
family.
Finding a match was canceled by a party leader.
Sorry. Don't know what I'm doing.
Our family members, we gotta turn on the generators. Alright, you gotta hunt down the... Alright, you have to hunt them down in the basement.
Hunt them in the basement? Only in the basement, or am I able to go anywhere else?
If you're Leatherface, you're in the basement. Or outside.
Oh, so this is just like, Dead by Daylight.
Yep, we're gonna go turn the generators on, so the traps will stop them from escaping.
Alright.
Well, have fun.
Alright.
If Grandpa was unable, this would be over by now. Oh, where the hell am I?
Alright,
Where the fuck am I?
I collected blood. Ooh, hello.
We can't get down to the basement unless Grandpa wakes up, or you kill someone and wake up Grandpa. Hey Grandpa! How's it? Oh, someone to kill someone.
Where did that even go? I found someone. I was chasing them. Safe spot for them.
All of the family members, like some of the family members seem like really go for the crouching things. Oh, you get used to it, honestly.
I don't understand why I had to turn, like, chainsaw on and off.
I wonder if they ever escaped. Come on, Johnny, get your head straight. I'm just collecting blood for Grandpa.
So you can get me out of the basement or something like that? Oh.
They woke up Grandpa. That means we can get into the basement. I'm in the basement. I'm in the basement, Bill.
I'm in this red room.
Anyway, did you find anyone?
What?
Did you find anyone?
I found 2 people, but I didn't get them. Oh, what the hell?
Where did you last see them? I can track them down.
Dude, it's been so long ago. I don't even remember. No, that's you, ain't it?
Yep.
Yeah, dude, I don't know where they went.
You found someone?
No. I don't want to be down here. I hear like a radio. I found someone right in front of me. Literally,
I'm coming. I'm coming.
No. Wait, what? Why did I not attack? Okay, I see what's up. Oh, no, they left. They left. They left. They went in here.
I can track them down. Investigate. I'm on the trail.
I don't even know
I
where you
smell them.
went. Yeah, they went underneath of there. They went out here. Storage. Oh, I hear someone.
I see the footprints. Follow me, Bill.
I'm right behind you.
They went through over here. He's somewhere around here.
Here he is.
Where?
Oh, no, 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 no. They're on the other side of the wall. Oh, they went through. Oh my god, I think I know which.
Outs. Fielder! I got it! Ah. I'm beating Grandpa.
I actually hate being Bubba because I can't get out of the basement. Where's that noise? Oh, I think I found it. I think I just got out of the basement. Yes, I'm free. Oh, I haven't seen the gun in years.
There's only 2 more guys left. We need to start tracking down these people.
Someone. Yeah, I think I just saw someone running up, like outside. Oh no, that's it.
Us.
I don't want to be downstairs anymore. It sucks.
Well, you have to go down there to find anyone. There's my other guy must be up here.
Oh.
We need to feed Grandpa.
Where's Grandpa?
Hey, he's just over here in the rocking chair. Someone must feed. Grandpa's right there.
Can I not? Oh, there we go. There we go. A little bit more blood. Is he able to show me where they are?
Wait, what the fuck is this open? Yeah, they're hiding somewhere. They can't. They've been roaming around hiding in lockers. There's so many places that they
I
can
found one.
run
Upstairs.
upstairs. Ah, fuck. Yeah, I'm downstairs. Oh,
And he
stuck
just
on
went
them.
through the, he's in the pool bar. The wooden pool bar. God.
Stay on them.
He's right here. Oh, you just went. Okay. I saw her in the pool bar. Somewhere around here. Oh, I see her. She's by the house that we were just in.
What?
She's in the house that we were just in, George. In the building that we and you were both in. She's in there. Just where?
Sure.
I saw something blue over here, like a light blue moving around. Oh, maybe it was him, actually. Sooner or later, we actually got to the end and found the person. Because the last two players were actually indeed hiding for most of this game, so... yeah. There's that. Hey. I did so much. I do not like playing Bubba. I don't think he's friendly.
The vehicle was recently discovered abandoned, with officials reporting no signs of foul play. Authorities are hopeful that the expanded search into nearby communities, Marlow and Chinatown, will unearth the thieves. Family and friends are urging anyone with information to find.
Poor lad.
Going to be lots of meat tonight. Yeah, good meat.
Ooh, hello.
Why I gotta do everything in this family?
I'm turning on the car.
You.
Gotta turn on the power so they don't escape from that exit.
Are you the girl?
Yep. Who's she? I'm gonna collect some blood for Grandpa.
I'm sorry I left you all those years.
Victim has woken Grandpa. Well,
Oh.
you know what that means. We can go downstairs. Well.
No, someone just opened the doors downstairs.
Grandpa thinks I'm the
Yep,
best.
that was
the
me.
best.
Lock the door.
Yep.
The whole family's down here.
I've been here this whole time taking care of Grandpa. Where have you been?
Shocking.
That door's been touched.
Oh, sugar.
I found one.
That hurt.
Found one. Right in front. They went around.
This door's locked.
You ever had head cheese? It's good.
Found him. Found her.
Yep, I'm on behind you.
I found another survivor. What can I not move? What can I not move? Oh, do they?
She caught in. Oh, the blood.
Come on out, little piggy.
Fucking game, she crawled.
I got some blood for you, Panther.
Here you go, Grandpa.
Do you think we just live downstairs?
My guess is some people are still downstairs. I'm going back downstairs.
I am.
Open.
Oh, I just locked the door on you. Sorry. What the hell? Scourge, come here.
What
see this?
the? Poor lad.
Poor man.
Oh, I'm going to the basement.
Oh, found him. They got through. They got through.
Yeah, I see.
Ooh. They're going. Oh wait, that was you.
You should have stood on my side.
I don't even know. That was me. That was me.
Yeah, they're not over here.
Oh, found her.
I'll stick
Why
over
is my guy
here.
just standing there? You see him? I see her.
Yeah.
Oh, she's felled? Why does this game keep on doing that?
She's coming back. She's coming back. Your way. Yep. She's running.
I see that.
She's bleeding out hard.
I don't know why I keep on stop moving. You know what I mean?
Yep.
Someone didn't lock the door. She probably got out. But the bone's been moving. Did you did you touch those bones?
Yeah, I've been running through the map. Where did she go?
I have no idea. She that was me, by the way.
I hear her. I hear her. She's still down here.
Oh, there she is. I hit her. She's going down the well.
She's down the road. There's another one! There's another one! Shit.
Asshole!
Get her! Get her! Get her! Get her! Hit her!
My first kill.
Oh, let's go drop the other one.
I'm gonna get Grandpa because I got some blood for him.
But we will find
I'm
you.
closing it. I can't see That was me.
There you go, little bitch. Kid and sissy just wanna play with you. Not this man.
Yeah, I like the hitchhiker. I like him more than Bubba.
Where the mountains reach like love never dies.
I breathe that poison gas. Oh,
That was me.
medicine. I found someone! I found someone!
Where? Downstairs? I'm guessing you found them downstairs. Yeah, you found them. Yeah, they're right next to me. Well, I'm above.
I'm right on her. Oh, damn it.
Hello.
Yep.
Oh, really? Oh wait, she's.
I got it.
Yes. Okay.
Hey, Grandpa. Sissy and bro, this
Ooh, you heard
giving you blood.
that? Did you just hear that?
Here, drink this.
Get up her. I'll see you.
Grandpa taught me this little trick.
Oh, eat it.
Yeah. No victory for. We are the family.
Honestly, that time I actually had more fun.
It was last seen near the town of Newt. The vehicle was recently discovered abandoned, with officials reporting no signs of foul play.
Maybe a
Authorities
rebellion.
are hopeful that the expanded search into nearby communities
Well,
tomorrow
my
will
job is to kill
unearth new leads.
kill
Family
people.
and friends are urging anyone.
Ain't that my job too? Question mark.
You have to wait until Grandpa wakes up. That's it. The survivors wake him up by making a loud noise or me killing one of them.
Gonna be lots of meat tonight. Yeah, good meat.
Yo,
Hello.
so you guys can play with each other?
Here you go, Grandpa.
Yeah, that's what we're doing right now.
Sweetie titty, how did you like the change after you
The broken.
What?
how did you like the change after you went outside?
Like, I'm thinking, I think this match just kind of sucks. That's what I think it was just happened. I think this map kind of sucks. But, it didn't make any difference. There's like, it's just kind of more of a maze, honestly. That's why I didn't like Bubba.
Yeah,
But I
that.
love the
Imagine
hitchhiker.
that. Imagine that, just as a victim.
I don't want to. I'd like Hitchhiker though. He's cool.
I like Johnny, or I want to play as because when I play with Butter, he only let me play as victim.
I'm sick of eating
But now I
scraps.
know somebody can ram into each other like this guy can ram into people. That's my main, bro. A fucking fighter main.
Oh, hello.
When you guys done, you guys can invite me.
Right. Maze, so... Yeah. Oh, someone woke up Grandpa and I'm on my way too.
Why am I gotta do everything in this family?
Oh, so you guys not making a video, right?
I am.
You are?
Yeah.
You're looking downright
Gort, make this party invite only.
killing for.
I don't know about him.
Yeah, they escaped from a different exit.
One second.
I'm on someone. In the
I
basement.
found someone.
Got him!
Oh my god, this game is so laggy.
I killed someone.
God.
Well, look who's here. Go ahead and hide. I'll find you.
Yeah, I found someone. They're near Grandpa. Is a male of some kind. And it's a door that could be unlocked. Actually, I'm gonna place a trap right here.
I'm beating Grandpa.
Alright.
You beating Grandpa?
Should have made anything.
Not my Grandpa.
Somebody around here has to catch him.
Why?
Alright, I placed on a trap. I think, Scourge. I mean, Carson should be. Yeah, because you're,
Perk
you
you
know.
right up.
You know.
Wait,
I love the
what are you
shit.
gonna say here?
There's someone in the barn area.
Yo, Gort.
I can't hear it because of lots of chainsaws. I hear
She's on me
someone.
right now. Oh my god, why you just refuse to sprint sometimes?
Whoa,
Coming.
she's on you. I would like to see that.
Gonna beat her out?
I'm telling you. Never mind, though.
She's right. She's right.
Alright, that's something I can believe on. Damn it.
Yeah.
And her head is just deformed.
That's so sick.
Get down, Grandpa. Get your fill. I'm tired of messing with you. You get out of here.
I cook food after this.
When I just got out, God damn.
Also, Scourge, you also need to get rid of some stuff over here. Oh, wait, actually right here.
What?
There's someone right here.
It's
Right in front of me.
thirsty.
Where did the bitch go?
Wait, hold up. Someone is over here. Yep, they're over here by Grandpa.
I'm coming.
He's running. He's running.
Fuck.
Don't worry, I got him. Well, I got him a little bit. Alright, I got him one more time.
I might be saving you.
Where did he go?
Don't worry, there's a trap downstairs.
He went downstairs.
I got him. He's dead. I placed a trap down here earlier and he fell right into it.
One more person. I'm checking by the car.
Hey, come on. Where'd you go?
Alright, Grandpa is out. And this is She's downstairs.
He's downstairs.
Yep. Oh, actually, she's right in front of me.
Away from me!
I see it.
Stay away from me!
I'm coming. I'm on
You're
her.
welcome.
Wait, did she just? Wait. Ah ha ha! I got her. I'ma execute her. I have her, by the way, though. I'm just carrying her in my arms. On the hook you go!
Alright.
We're gonna have some fresh meat today. Fresh meat. Who wants steak?
There's a bigger map you can grab, find stuff.
Authorities believe the carcasses are from packs of wandering wild
If
dogs.
it's not a
with
fucking
them most
maze.
likely rabid. Consuming any water source from the
There you are, Kirsten.
Yeah, get up there, motherfucker. Yeah.
Look out for boobies.
This is gonna be fun. Lots of fun.
Tell you what, the graphics are better. The graphics are better.
Yeah, not for me. No joke. My game been glitching a lot.
Huh?
My game has been glitching a lot during these games.
Am I doing like good things or what's going on with you?
Someone woke up Grandpa. Where is Grandpa? Oh, he is. Oh my God, they're all in one place downstairs. See where that door was slammed? That's where they are. Over here.
I know, Grandpa. The best.
I just saw them. They were literally all down. Come here for a second. Can you break this down?
We can't get any more
Can you break this down right here? This thing right here. Break it down. No. Yeah.
Where is it?
It's right here. Break this down. I saw them all just standing somewhere around. I don't know where they are now. I think they actually left. Because I just saw them all
Collect
just
the blood.
I just saw them all just crouching down, doing nothing.
Did you guys turn on the car battery?
Somebody around here has
I
to
did
catch
turn
him.
on the car battery. No, it's found a survivor. They're all outside.
Outside?
Yeah. Oh no, I'm throwing a tantrum. They just one just went downstairs.
In the basement?
Yep.
It's time to slaughter this one.
How the fuck?
Someone get up. Oh, I'm stuck. I stabbed a lot of people.
Very badly for you. Fight over here.
Okay, I killed the guys. Alright, Grandpa's at like this little shack near one of the exits / entrance to the basement. Yeah, right behind you. He's through this wall right here. Ooh, someone's out here.
Is somebody downstairs?
Yes.
Oh! Now I got you. I'm gonna put my traps where they're supposed to be. What are you gonna do? Get down.
I'm chasing them right now.
Downstairs?
Real clean, don't I?
I got him. Well, her. I really do like this character. Well, I got her. She's dead now.
Oh shit, we all down here.
We all are down here. That's not good.
Come out now, and I'll
Now, how do we get out?
Come this way? Somewhere around here. Right here.
Useful. That was me.
I keep on opening and closing the door.
I'm closing doors because, you know, when they open the mail doors, it does let us in. Oh no.
I gotta do everything in this family.
I've opened the door to let you get out now.
Varmints sure can hide.
I'm going to careful. Well, here's something I need you to break. I need you to break all the barriers that's around us. Because, us characters, you know, hunters can't get through the, barriers like the, victims can.
Blood. Hurt you right now.
Hold on.
Ooh, there's a guy right here. I know where that is.
Yo,
Yeah.
up here.
Oh, there's someone upstairs?
Grandpa taught me this little trick.
What the fuck? I stopped revving. I wish fucking this fucking Scourge didn't get off.
Yeah, destroy that sword, Carson. That's what needs to be destroyed.
There's a red-haired girl up here
There is?
somewhere. I fucking don't know where she went.
Alright, I'm gonna give Grandpa some blood.
Probably.
Right, back and killing.
Buy the chickens. Go get the chicken.
I right by the chicken.
Oh, so it was you that activated it. Yeah. She's right here. I have her right now. She's running, she's running.
I got ya.
Oh my god, why you get out of my way? She's going downstairs, I think. Yep, she's going downstairs.
Yep, she's downstairs.
She got one of my traps. I told this.
Feed the crapper! Feed the crapper!
Don't worry, I have a lot of blood. Give me 1 second.
The reverse of this always works.
Somebody just jumped down a well.
Yeah, that's probably a survivor then, because only survivors can do that.
Yeah. I hit them like once or twice.
Right. I just said Grim. They're near me. They're near Grandpa.
What?
I found the survivor. He's in the basement.
Is that it?
I think that is. I killed every single one.
For real?
And he still takes on my card.
Yeah.
Oh, I did. Dude, I'm actually getting better at this game.
I think everybody was just bad.
Well, to be honest, that's probably true, actually. They were all together at one point in the basement where you could have got them too.
I just needed perfect timing, accuracy with my rubbing chainsaw. What
And
time
to be
is it? Is it 10?
I think it's 10, yeah. Yeah, 10:16.
Shit, bro. I have to get off, bruh.
Yeah, that's fine. I was about to get off anyways.